In this video we're going to follow on from the previous video, which was parametric geometries using local variables. In this one we're going to use global variables, so they allow us a little bit more flexibility when we're going to nest the shapes. So when we had, if I go to modify and drawing variables, we have these in local variables, the polyline 1 in here. We have global ones, but these are empty up here, so I just cancel that for the moment. To make some global variables we need to go into File and Macro, and on the front page these are variables down here which would cover any drawing. So if I put in here D edge, we'll do it in capitals, D edge, let's say that's 50 again, and then we had HP1 for the high point 1, and we'll go for 150 on there. Close that. Obviously don't use the same names as something that's already there. Don't put rad in, or else it'll look for radius. Put something like rad underscore 1 if you're going to use a similar name on there. Close, save, and OK it. And so now if we look in the drawing variables, we have two lots of variables, D edge 50, HP1 150, and here as well. We can't have both, they'll be working against each other, so we'll just close that, and we can go to modify, edit parametric geometries, click on here, and we can now get rid of the local variable properties there, and we can OK that. So now if we go into drawing variables, we only have global. We can change those again here, OK it, they will change and machining will change with them. Okay, so that's the only difference as far as setting the drawing up. When we've done that one though, we can then save that. So I will go for File and Save As, and we'll have 2. And so when we then go to nest it, which is where the advantages come, we go to Tools, Nesting, I go to Panel List, I find my drawing on the desktop, so Arch 2, I want one of that one. If I go Control C and copy these down here. Now I'm not going to change the dx dy, I can, but I'm not going to in this one. If I just click over here, do a padlock on that line, I can then scroll across. I need to be able to alter those variables, I need to be in the column AU, or the one after extension 36. In here, if I can put in D edge equals, I can have 50 in that one. I can put HP1 equals 120 in that one. If I just grab those two and copy them down, open that one up a little bit. In here we'll have the D edge, let's say that one is 80, that one is 20. We'll leave that one where it is. We'll have the profile of that one to be on the drop down of 180 on there. That one can be shorter, we'll have a 100, and this one can be 180 on that one. Okay, close that, save it. Distance between parts 20 mil. I'll leave the rest as it was, so I am allowing rotation by 90 degrees. I'm allowing 5 mil around the edge. Click on the cogwheel, OK to that one, and again you can see as those global variables that are now written in the nesting panel list, as they come up with each drawing they change the profile shape. So these were all the same size door but with different variables. So this has 20 and 100 I think it was. This one probably had 80 and 180. So by having global variables we can alter those when we come to nest them. So again, from the same door we can change the dx dy to change the overall size of it, and then we can change any global variables that we have in there. Hopefully that helped you with global variables. Thank you.